Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RUBI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past couple of days, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $4.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that area, that would definitely be a nice sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 425, that would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as levels of resistance and where the sellers are hanging out at, that's going to be right up there at 450. Nothing complicated about that other than the fact that that is just where the party stopped today. So public enemy number one up there at $4.50. Although, from a big picture point of view, resistance levels really don't matter that much. I say that because as long as the price keeps doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself, especially if you picture those as stair steps. So priority number one, just build higher lows. And as long as higher lows are being built, the trend will continue. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.